Good afternoon. It is April 19th, 2024, and it looks like we're ending up with a range day, but a lot could happen in these final 22 minutes, especially since we're closing out the week. And I'm sure that the Bulls are trying to get a close above the EMA, and the Bears are trying to get a close below the EMA. So I think these last few minutes could be crazy. They could be pretty normal and just go sideways, but um, let's take a look at the price action. So big sell off followed by a big rally in the overnight. A lot of volume in the overnight. 5 o'clock comes in this flatter channel right here, and when you get that, could you take this second entry long? Sure, but I'm not. I'm a little skeptical of that. And then we get that overshoot of the flatter channel, and I think you want to be looking to go short, in my opinion. But we just go sideways. The only short setup is right here, and I think that's a little aggressive because of how much overlap there is. Would have eventually worked, but then we just go sideways. Um, you do get a second entry long right here, but this thing looks like it's trying to reverse to me, so I don't really like these longs here. Boom, boom, another bounce. And I mean, I like getting short in here. You get that second entry short. I like that. We're going sideways here, but I just think that, you know, you could be catching a high of the day. I think it's worth it. And pull back, test that range, and the pullback fails. We go a little lower, and we form this area of support down here, and you get a bounce here. I think it's not a third entry, but it's a double test, and then you get a higher low bullish signal bar. I think you got to take that. You can see a lot of people like that. And then it fails, and that turns out to be the trend line. And now you got a second entry short right there. And we go back to support down here, but it felt like it was going to fail. Maybe you take this failed second entry short, but it's below the EMA. And I just thought this was, we're making lower highs. I think it's a little risky to go short. Boom, off the trend line again. Second entry short, signal bar is not really good. Big sell off at the midline and support of the trend channel. People start taking profits. And finally, maybe it's like a wedge bottom. Finally, the bulls, boom, it rockets up, vacuum test of resistance, and then we just go sideways a little bit. I don't really like going long here because, I'm expecting, me being a student of Mac, I expect a break of the channel and a move to a new low. So when we get this rally right here, that's the second leg, and then it sells off, I'm looking to go short, and we get consecutive lower highs here. I don't really see sell. I like this though. I'll mark it green because it's. I guess that's a lower high. I'm about to mark it red. I really like this setup, and unfortunately, I got short in here, and then with this congestion, I just got out. But then it made the second leg down, and new low of the bigger trend channel, and then we just been going sideways. So I don't really see much that I like in here. So that's how I saw it. Yeah. So here's the daily chart, way below the EMA on the daily chart. But yeah. So hope everyone had a great day. I'll be back next week.